Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on subtracting algebraic fractions. On the next two slides, I provide the lyrics of a rap song about algebraic fractions. Enjoy. And here are the next three verses. And now let's have a look at the lesson. So we're asked to simplify each of the following. So we have an algebraic fraction here minus an algebraic fraction there. So I've repeated the sum here, and here underneath we have the lowest common multiple. Because m plus 1 and m plus 2, each of those divide into that product. So m plus 1 goes into that m plus 2 times, so that gives us m plus 2 times 5, and I've written that here. M plus 2 goes into that m plus 1 times, so I've multiplied minus 4 by m plus 1, and I've written that here. I've simplified the numerator to give us that, and I have further simplified by collecting like terms, so we have m plus 6 over m plus 1 times m plus 2. So this original sum there, we have simplified it, and there's the answer. So for example number 2, we have an algebraic fraction minus another algebraic fraction. So I've rewritten it here, and the lowest common multiple is the product of those two. That's there. After we divide k minus 2 into there, we get k plus 3, and then we multiply it by 7, which gives us that part. Then we put the minus sign. We divide k plus 3 there. That gives us k minus 2. We multiply that by that 2, and that gives us that part. Remember, that minus sign is this one here. So when we remove the grouping symbols, we get that expression here. And when we simplify, we get 5k plus 25 over that product. So we can factorise here. So we take 5 outside, which leaves us with that numerator, and it leaves us with that denominator. So after the simplification, we've gone from there down to there. So there are two examples which give us a good idea how to solve a basic situation where you have two algebraic fractions, where one is subtracted from the other, and you have to look at the denominators very carefully, and once you find the lowest common multiple, you just proceed from there. So Maths with Jacob has attempted to integrate mathematics, English and music by introducing a rap song about algebraic fractions.